kapag gagawa po ng photo using the AI and kapag paano mag-schedule po ng FBN Reels. So type 1 nga po ang lahat kung sino na po ang nakapag-apply po nung naging learnings po natin kahapon. Pa-type 1 po if sino na po. Ayan, so marami na po. So ngayon naman po, bali ang pag-aaralan po natin ngayon is kung paano po, next mo Harvey, kung paano po from photo na magiging video po. Kumbaga yung photo po na ginawa po natin kahapon is pagagalawin po natin. Ito po ang isa sa example. So yung una po, ayan. So yung sa nasa left side po, yan lang po yung photo. And then next, yung nasa right side po is yung video po. So next tayo. Ayan, another sample po. Ayan, parehas po sila ng photo po. Next.
Max is doctor recommended for your daily protection. Trust in its quality for your health needs. Max is doctor.
So, ngayon po, yun po yung isa sa pag-aaral natin and I hope na may maging learnings po tayo. Thank you. Si Sir Harvey po yung mag-demonstrate kung paano po gawin yung photo to video.
Alright, max evening po sa ating lahat. At dito po tayo muna mag-start po. May magandang naging learnings naman po tayo kahapon po, no? Type 1 nga po kung may natutunan po tayo sa Gemini kasi connected naman po silang lahat. Meron po? Ayan, sige po. Saglit. Lipat ko lang po yung ating share screen para makita niyo po ang aking screen. Baguhin ko lang po. Dito tayo sa... Ano nang layout na? Ayan. Dito tayo sa same pa rin. ChatGPT muna tayo. Tapos, ang next natin na-open, lumalabas kasi yung layout ng Zoom. Sabi po. Hindi ko maklik yung add. Yung add subject lang po ha. Hindi ko kasi maklik yun. Yan. Paano ba ito bawa? Hide panel, no? Hide video panel. Ayun pala. Yung. Thank you. Thank you, America. ChatGPT pa rin. Tapos, Gemini. Ngayon, may tatlong combination yan para sa akin. Doon tayo gagawa ng video. Yun yung ating magiging lesson ngayon, everyone. Tatype nyo lang, grok.com. Dito tayo kay grok.com. Magkakasunod po ba, everyone? Tingnan ko nga po. Type 1 nga po kung nakasunod po tayo. Yan. Sa grok.com, tayo po gagawa ng ating video. At yung, kumbaga, explain ko na lang in simple terms, gagawa tayo ng prompt kay ChatGPT. Dito tayo mag-generate ng picture kay Gemini. Dito natin papagalawin kay Grok. Yun. Kung mapapansin nyo, may mga example na ako dito. Kasi yung iba, karamihan galing sa aking work. Tanggalin ko lang yung isang product. Okay. Para mas madali kayong matuto, doon man muna tayo magsisimula sa first step. Kaya babalik muna tayo kay ChatGPT. Same pa rin naman ang process natin. Wait lang everyone. Gagawa pa rin tayo ng prompt. Ito, nakagawa na ako ng prompt dito. Gusto ko naman, ano ba yung naging example natin sa beach, no? Iba naman. Siguro, since na holiday, gawin natin holiday theme naman. I want a image prompt for Max. Yun yung bote natin. With a holiday theme. Pwede rin namang Tagalog. Pwede nyo ilagay kay ChatGPT na gusto kong gumawa ka ng isang image prompt na holiday na. Yun, pwedeng ganon. Ito, naka-English lang kasi ako kasi naka-automatic na to. O, ayan. Meron tayong prompt kay ChatGPT. Kakopy lang natin to, yung na-generate niya. Punta ulit tayo kay Gemini. Same process pa rin. Makikita niyo, ito yung mga nagawa ko kanina. Yan. Paste nyo lang ulit yung nakuha niyong prompt. Tapos mag-upload ulit tayo ng ating image. Galing kay yung Max Battle natin. Para hindi mabago yung mukha ng bote. So, ito. Same process pa rin. Waiting ulit tayo sa generation. Siguro mag-take lang to ng mga 30 or 20. Lalo na pag mas complex kasi ang ating prompt, doon medyo mahaba. Kung mapapansin nyo, ayan, may holiday season na, pang December na. Ano? Tapos, pwede nyo ito save. Pwede nyo na siya save. Palagay nyo lang siya sa downloads nyo. Pag naka-PC kayo. Then, dito na tayo kay Grok. Gusto na natin siya pagalawin. Gusto ko na siyang magkaroon ng magandang design. Pupunta tayo dito sa mukhang pin. Ay, dito pala muna tayo bago mag-start. Nasa Grok na tayo. Ang first yung gagawin pala, kailangan nyo munang i-sign in kasi kailangan niya ng account. Sa-sign in nyo yung Google account nyo, tapos pag naka-sign in na, okay na, pwede na kayong gumawa. Kiklik nyo tong imagine, nasa my left side, imagine. Makikita nyo, ito yung mga na-prompt na iba, na example. Tapos kiklik nyo yung pin dito sa baba, nakalagay dito, attach. Sa mobile, meron din to, meron tayong Grok account. Pwede nyo magamit din to. Pwede kayo mag-download sa cellphone. Tapos, upload the file. Dito sa upload na to, isang picture lang yung kaya niyang ipasok. Hindi siya pwede magdalawa, pwede magtatlo, sadyang isa lang. Kaya kumbaga, hindi mo kayang ipag-combine. Tapos, ito na yung na-download natin. Yan. Upload nyo lang yan. Tapos, mag-iintay ulit tayo ng generation niya. Kung mapapansin nyo, dito sa may baba, type customized video, mamaya natin prompting din yan. Pwede nyo lagyan ng design, pero mamaya ko bigyan kayo ng example. Dito muna tayo sa papagalawin natin yung video. Nakasunod ba everyone? Type 1 nga. Type 1 po. Ayan. Medyo ganyan pa po yung generate kasi wala pa tayong napo-prompt. Hindi pa siya malinis. Ayan. Nakakasabay everyone. Inhale. Exhale. Yan. Start na po tayo. Ating papagalawin to ng maayos. Kung mapapansin nyo, gusto ko yung bote. Siya yung umiikot. Tapos maraming snow na lumalabas. Tatype nyo lang dito sa baba. Mapapansin nyo. Type a customized video. Pwedeng, since na Grok kasi to, kailangan English yung tinatype. Kasi wala siyang generation na Tagalog. Kasi itong Grok.com, American company kasi to. Tapos libre lang. Walang binabayaran dito. Kaya, tapos type lang natin yung ating magiging prompt. Lagay lang natin. I want the Max Battle to spin. Yan, kumbaga iikot. Adds a snow effect. Para kung na-imagine nyo, merong snow effect sa background. Yan. Hintayin lang natin ulit yung generation niya, kung anong lalabas. Minsan may maganda na lalabas, minsan may hindi ka okay. Kasi ang mga generation kasi ng lalo na pag gustong pagalawin, random. Kaya prompt ka lang ng prompt, tapos pag meron ng maganda, pwede mo na siyang i-upload. Diba? Ito kahit at least pa paano, mukhang okay. Once again, gawa ulit tayo ng ibang example. Halimbawa, ibang example naman. Gusto ko tao yung aking pinapagalaw. Hindi yung bottle. Sige. Pwede tayong gumamit ng totoong image dito. Tapos pwede natin silang pagalawin. Ito ang example ko. Ito magiging example ko. Halimbawa, kuha ka lang ng real image dito. Ito. Ito si Kuya Ador. Ito yung aming staff member na isa. Gusto ko siyang paggalawin. Yan. Gusto ko siyang paggalawin. Um, ay, gusto ko siyang paggalawin. Example to, halimbawa lang to. Kasi kailangan natin magkaroon ng example ng totoong tao. Ito. Yan, di ba? Oh. Kahit totoong picture, pwede nyo siyang pagalawin at i-upload nyo siya kay Grok para makagawa kayo ng video. Halimbawa, si Kuya, gusto ko sa kanya mag-walk out. Walk out the camera. Intay lang ulit tayo, magwa 100% para mag-generate yung video niya. Pero pakitandaan din po pala, sa Grok, meron po siyang limit. May 20 generation siya bago sa isang araw meron siyang limit na 20. Yan. Kung mapasin, nag-walk out na si Kuya. Di ba? Kung na-imagine nyo, marami siyang pwedeng magawa. Nasa imagination nyo lang kung paano siya magagamit. Halimbawa, ganito naman. Upload ulit tayo ng panibago. Dito naman tayo sa Max. Sa Max. Ito mga nagamit ko, mga magawa ko. Si Baymax. Yan, balik tayo kay Baymax. Gusto kong pagsalitain si Baymax. Again, magpo-prompting ulit tayo. Lalagay natin. Voice over. Sasabihin nyo, kailangan yung boses robot. Kaya lalagay nyo, voice over, robot. Para malaman nung AI natin kung ano yung gusto natin maging boses. Halimbawa, Pilipino, pwede rin. Amerikano, pwede rin. Pero si Baymax kasi, robot, gagawin natin robot. Voice over, robot. Tapos lalagay natin. Bili na kayo ng Mac. Mga misis. Yan. Mga mamshi, mamshi. Pero tandaan, yung generate nito, may limit. Kaya, halimbawa, baka naka-generate na kayo ng 20 sa isang araw, hindi na ka makapag-generate ulit. Pero pwede ka naman lumipat ulit sa isang account. Halimbawa, ito, example. Since na nagamit ko na siya kanina pa, wala na akong pang-generate. Kung mapapansin nyo sa baba, 0% na. Kasi nakalimit na ako ng 20. Sige. Kaya, lipat lang ulit ako ng isang account para makapagbalik tayo sa lesson. Lipat tayo sa isa. Post ko lang to kasi yung video. Nag-gets nyo ba yung tuturo ko? Kumbaga, ang madali lang talagang part kay Grok, yung na-generate mo kay Gemini, i-upload mo lang siya kay Grok para ma-apply mo. Tapos para mapagalaw mo siya. Tapos maglalagay ka lang ng konting prompting na gusto mong ganito mangyari sa video at ilalabas na niya yun. Nandito tayo sa isang account. Ito yung sign in. Lagyan nyo lang yung account nyo para magpasok. Yan. Halimbawa, ganito, nakapag-sign in na kayo. Gusto ko makagawa na ako ng video. Pupunta tayo sa Imagine. Tapos, dami mo to. Ito yung mga nagawa ng iba. Unsave ko lang yung iba. Halimbawa, marami na kayo nag-generate. Yan yung mga example na pwede nyo magawa. Mas marami kayong pwedeng ma-upload. Ito halimbawa, ito yung sa atin kanina. Tukunin ko si Baymax ulit. Di ba kanina gumalaw siya? Yan. Gusto niyo siyang pagsalitain? Lagay ulit, voice over, tandaan. Ano yung gusto niya niyang boses? Robotic ba siya? Tagalog? Pwede. Pero siya, robot kasi siya, kaya lagay natin robot. Voice over, robot. Diba? Ang cute ni Baymax, di ba? Tapos lagay natin, bilhin na kayo, mga misis, example. Yan, misis. Tapos prompting ulit natin. Tingnan natin kung magsasalita siya. Di ba ang cute ni Baymax? Baymax, tapos nagbebenta ng Max. Sabi na, tapos na ba? 52. Medyo may katagalan minsan, umabot ng 1 minute to 30 seconds.
Kayo mga misis, napinta ito lang. Bili na kayo mga misis.
Di ba? Wala, di maayos minsan. Kasi, syempre, naka-free lang kasi tayo eh. Pero ito yung na-imagine nyo. Yan, ganyan. Halimbawa naman, ayusin natin. Patience lang kamo ang kailangan. Patience lang ang kailangan natin sa pagpo-prompting, lalo na sa video dito sa Grok. Kasi, hindi siya perfect. Pero ang pinakamalaga doon, nagagamit natin. Tapos, kung wala ka namang gustong pagsalitain sa kanya, mas maganda yung ganon. Lalo na halimbawa, nag-generate ka, bote lang, gusto mo, umiikot lang siya, mas okay yon. Kasi hindi siya nag-generate ng complicated things para makapagawa ka ng video ad. Ito, ang ginawa ko kasi complicated kasi gusto mo siyang pagsalitain pero hindi naman perfecto yung AI. Pero kung halimbawa ganito, prinom ko, hawak ni Baymax yung Max, di ba? Make ano ba to? Make Baymax wave his hand. Tapos, and point to the Max bottle. Diba, ganyan. Ito, hindi complicated tong prompt na to. Kaya pwede niya magawa to kasi di naman gumagamit siya ng audio prompting para makapagsalita. Tapos, mas maayos yung magiging animation niya kasi ang papagalawin niya lang talaga yung image. Hindi siya mag-generate ng audio para makapag-promote nun. Parang ganito. Diba? Diba? Diba ang astig? Yan. Pwede na yung ganito. Tapos kung magpo-promote kayo, pwede niyo na siyang ma-upload. Yan. Okay na. Yun lang ang video generation natin. Ang nagpapa-complete lang talaga, gagawa ka ng mga prompting. Pinakamahirap talaga yung prompting na kailangan maayos. Tapos, pag nagkaroon ka na ng idea ng prompting at na-generate mo siya sa Gemini, ang pinakamadaling part yung sa Grok. Kasi papagalawin na lang natin siya. Nakasunod po ba kayo, everyone? Type nga po kung may questions or merong conflict na hindi po naintindihan. Type 1 nga po. Yun. May mga question po kayo or any? May mga hindi po naintindihan, baka merong mga gustong tanong. Ask lang po. Wala na po ba questions? Kung wala na pong questions, wait lang. Meron question, meron. So, So, yung picture ko mismo pwede din gamitin. Yes po, pwedeng gamitin. Katulad po naging example ko kanina. Yung staff member po namin isa, napagalaw po namin. Tapos, napansin nyo, nag-walkout siya. Pwede po. Halimbawa, nag-selfie po kayo. May hawak kayong Max Bottle. Magkanto po kayo. Pwede nyo po siyang pagalawin. Pwede nyo i-type na prompt na mag-wave siya tapos tumuro sa Max Bottle. Pwede po yun. Depende lang po talaga sa pagkaka-prompting nyo. Ang mahirap lang po talaga sa Grok, yung audio, yung magsasalita siya, ang clunky po kasi hindi siya ganun talaga kalinis. Pero yung mga motion, gagawin niya, i-type mo lang at i-prompt mo lang tapos i-grok mo lang. Sige po. May questions pa po? Ano pa? Example pa po ba? Gawa po tayo
Pwede
ng...
na si Tita Truths nakalagay. So, yung picture mo ko mismo pwede din gamitin. Nasagot na ba to?
Nasagot na po. Baka may
Okay.
questions pa po yung iba.
Next example tayo. Na-example mo naman yung tungkol sa Max. Yung
Yung...
ingredients.
Ano po ma'am?
Yung ingredients.
Yung ingredients po.
Oo. Sige, pakigawa.
Pakigawa po. Sige po. Sige, isang example pa po tayo. Ito may nagtanong, meron siyang music. Meron po siyang music, pero hindi siya ganon kaganda kasi sabi ko nga po, ang audio ng prompting nito, ng Grok natin, hindi po siya ganon kalinis. Kasi nasa free lang po tayo, naka-free. Kaya halimbawa, nag-audio siya, kung mapapansin niyo dito, medyo parang masakit sa tenga.
Stubborn.
Diba? Yung parang ngarag. Kaya mas maganda wala siyang sounds, nakamute na lang. Kung mag-i-edit kayo, tanggalin niyo na lang yung sounds tapos patungan niyo na lang.
Stubborn.
Yan. Next, gawa tayo ng isa pa. Isang example. Let's go. Balik tayo sa ChatGPT. Create ulit tayo. Balik tayo sa una. Yung idea natin, gusto natin yung Max Bottle. Andun yung mga ingredients na kalabas, di ba? Kaya ganito magiging prompting natin. Siguro Tagalog na lang din para makaintindihan lahat. Next ay gusto ko yung image prompt ng Max Bottle ay may kasamang ingredients sa side, kapalibot, naka-circle o ano. Tapos halimbawa gusto ko magkaroon na siya ng background na halimbawa lumilipad o ano. Yung Max Bottle nasa center at bigyan ng magandang style depende sa kulay ng Max Bottle. Yan na yung prompting ko. Kumbaga yung explain ko lang isa, yung Max Bottle magge-generate siya ng random na style depende sa kulay ng Max Bottle natin. Kasi ang pangit naman kung mag-generate tayo tapos ang kulay ng background natin kulay pula, di ba? Yun. Yun ang kinukuha natin. Kaya nilagay ko dito, nakadepende sa kulay ng Max Bottle. Yan. Tapos enter lang ulit tayo para makapag-generate sa atin si ChatGPT ng ating prompting. Yan, di ba? Meron na tayong ulit prompt. Nakuha na natin yung prompt natin. Itong prompt na to, pwede pa natin i-edit siya. Halimbawa, meron siyang kulang, meron siyang gusto kang ipatong, pwede naman. Kasi lahat naman ng prompting edited. Pwede nating mabago. Ito, gawa na ulit tayo. Halimbawa, tumitingin ka pa, merong kulang sa example. Yan. At kung okay na naman, okay. Gawa na ulit tayo ng isa pa. Balik tayo sa, kuha tayo ulit ng picture. Asa yung picture? Asa yung Canva? Canva. Yan, download. Yan. Enter ulit natin. Nakalagay dito, katulad ng sinabi ko kahapon, kailangan yung max battle kaparehas ng sa uploaded na picture. Kaya tuwing mag-upload kayo, dapat yung max battle same sa magiging prompt natin. O yan, lumabas na siya. Diba ang ganda? Tapos halimbawa, di ko gusto yung background kasi blue lang tapos white. O sige, gawin natin ganito. Yung kulang pa yung edit natin, hindi siya ganun kabisa para sa akin. Gusto ko yung background ay nasa isang forest. Kumbaga nasa gubat na medyo malinis o ano. Magge-generate na siya, babaguhin na niya ulit yung background niya. Zoom ko nga para makita. Yan, di ba? Kung mapapansin nyo. Nakapag-generate na tayo na andun yung ingredients, andun yung max battle sa gitna, umiikot. Ngayon, gusto ko na siyang pagalawin. Gusto ko na siyang gawin video. Save lang ulit natin siya. Punta tayong download, save. Then, last part, punta tayo kay Grok. Yan. Same pa rin, upload tayo ng picture. Tapos, kunin natin yung ginawa natin. Open natin siya ulit. At generate na natin siya. Wala pa tayong nilalagay na prompt kasi hindi pa naman siya ganun kali. Hindi pa natin nakikita yung video. Kaya kapag halimbawa na pag-generate na, meron na tayong halimbawa gusto ganito mangyari. O sige, pwede na natin ilagay. Yan, waiting pa rin. Type 1 nga po kung nakasabay pa. Kaya po. O diba? Ang ganda ng animation niya. Paano siya i-download? Ang download button po, alin po? Yung Grok po, no? Yung Grok po, pag i-download natin yung animation natin, ito. Ito, okay na siya para sa akin. Yung download niya po nandito sa may right side. Ito nakalagay po, download. Yan. I-click lang po natin, automatic magda-download po siya sa taas. Yung download. Medyo mahina lang po net, hindi lang po nag-download. Ito po yung download button. Medyo mahina lang po net kasi yung mag-download po.
Pero ito po download sa akin kasi tinatry ko eh. Kaya kami tawa ng tawa kasi may sakit pinapagsalita namin. Kaso
Hindi pa nagda-download.
ayaw mag-download kaya nagtatanong ako bakit parang ganyan din na-stuck siya.
Parang yung issue lang po ito eh. Parang yung issue lang po. Oh,
Ganyan. Kasi may sakit.
Baka sa
Nagsalita. Sabi niya, I want Max, nakakatawa.
at least kahit pa paano na-apply niyo na po, no, ma'am? Yan,
Pero
diba?
ayaw niya mag-download eh. Same ganyan.
Baka ngayong issue lang po ito kasi nakapag-download naman po kanina. Ayun, nag-download na po kayo, nag-stuck na. Ayun po, dumami na tuloy. Nag-download na, nasobrahan. Baka sa system lang po siguro ng Grok. Siguro mag-wait na lang po
Ay
kung kayo
na-stuck lang. Dami na nga niyang
na-stuck lang
download.
po.
Dinownload ko ng dinownload. Nakakatawa.
Naka-download na po akong 10. Ayan. Ayan po. Okay na. Diba?
Na.
Yan. Na-apply po na iba. Type nga po sa chat kung nang kaya para kung nakakasabay.
May download yun sa app. So, reference ko yung group.
Sino pong may tanong ko po? Baka may nahihirapan. Na. Ano po? May questions pa po? Huwag po mahiyang magtanong. TGP. Huwag mahiyang magtanong.
So, yung ano niya, yung prompt niya, simple lang talaga.
Simple lang po talaga. Kumbaga, upload lang po natin yung image kay Grok. Tapos, hayaan na po natin siya.
Tapos hindi mo na kailangang magtanong kay GPT ng prompt niya o pwede namang
Hindi
gawin
na po.
yan.
Hindi na po. Kumbaga, ang iisip na lang po tayo, mag-i-imagine kung anong gusto nating pagalawin sa sakit mo. Alam mo,
Pero
ganito po.
English, no? Dapat English, no?
Yes po. Yes po. Alam mo, ganito. Gusto ko biglang merong, paano ba? May tigreng alam mo, patawahin, alam mo, may tigre. May, a tiger, ganito. Walks past the max battle. Parang ganito. I-imagine na lang po talaga natin kung anong gusto natin mangyari sa video. Pero yun nga, may limit po talaga siya. Hirap siyang mag-generate ng audio kasi naka-free po tayo, hindi tayo naka-premium. Doon lang po tayo sa libre. Tapos, kung may background music naman pong lumabas, medyo hindi po kasi ganun siya kaganda. Kaya tayo na lang po magpatong. So, may mga ganyan, di ba? May lumabas na tigre. Tayo na lang talaga mag-imagine kung anong gusto nating lumabas sa ating video. Di ba? Kasabay po ba yung iba? Type nga po. Type carry. Kaya ko to. Di ba? Ang ganda ng mga example ng Max natin na video. May nag-heart na babae, may nagpa-fireworks, merong doktor, merong ikot, may holiday pass, si Max.
Pwede daw i-download sa Play Store sa cellphone.
Yes po, meron pong Grok application po tayo, meron po. Kaya mas madali po yon. Kasi halimbawa may picture na kayo sa gallery nyo, pwede mas madali na kayong mag-upload. Lalo na pag halimbawa gusto nyo mas totoong tao yung gumagalaw, mas okay na okay po yon. Ang naging example ko lang po talaga, kumukuha kami, nag-generate kami sa Gemini.
Ay, sorry hindi ako marinig ni Ate Agnes. Ate Agnes, pwedeng pa-accept si merong kumukonek si Sagun. Nag-chat ako sa iyo eh. Imelda. Ano?
I-accept ko.
Ay,
In-accept ko na, Arlie. Hindi ko kasi kilala yung mga kaya hindi ko ginagalaw.
Okay pa. Mga daw, nahirapan po sila sa signal, kaya
Halimbawa si Baymax. Pasayawin natin ng hip-hop.
Pwede rin yun?
Pwede po. Animation, kung mga isipin lang talaga natin kung anong gusto natin gawin sa animation natin. Tapos wait lang tayo ng generation. Yan. Pero, ulit po sa isang araw po, 20 lang po ang pwede nating ma-generate. Kaya halimbawa, pag generate tayo ng generate, mauubusan tayo, magkakaroon tayo ng limit. Hindi tayo makapag-generate na iba pa. Yan. So, mayroon na si Baymax. Diba? Ang cute. Nasa lab pa siya, di ba? Yan. Yan po. Yan. May questions pa po regarding po dito sa paggawa ng video prompt?
Kailangan ma-apply agad At the same time, additional ko lang, Harvey, we have to apply all of them while it's free. Kasi darating ang time, magkakaroon na yan ng subscription. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Kasi even before yung CapCut, nag-umpisa yan, wala talaga, totally free lahat. Ngayon, meron na siyang pro, lumalabas. Although, ang kagandahan naman, kahit mag-subscribe tayo or meron tayong plan na kunin yung mga nila, mas maganda kasi, mas nag-update sila. So, i-maximize lang natin yung mga free na mga katulad ng ganito. So, meron pang mga tanong?
Baka may questions pa po.
Question po.
Yes po.
Nagsasign
Go
up
ahead,
ako,
Ate.
nagsasign up ako ngayon sa grok.com. So,
Yes po.
bine-verify sa email and then nanghihingi ng pinadala daw niya sa email yung dapat kong
Ah,
ilagay. Kaso
nasa inyo
hindi
na
siya.
po yun. Nasa sa
Inopen ko
email
yung
niyo.
email, wala naman siyang pinadala.
Ano po? Para
Wala
sa
siyang wala siyang pinadalang email.
Pakicheck yung
um,
Tignan, baka mali lang yung email na nabigay mo. May kulang. Minsan yung
so,
minsan pa nagpipil up kasi tayo, meron nang yung ganyan nangyari. Yung .com, nagkakaroon ng quit yung M, kaya mali yung So double check lagi natin yung mga ini-input natin. Kung may notebook kayo ng mga password, isulat nyo much better para hindi nyo kasi ngayon ang dami ako, katulad ko, isang buong notebook, nandun lahat yung mga password ng mga kinukuha ko. Lalo na pa nagsa-sign in tayo.
Okay po.
may questions pa po. May questions pa po regarding
Yung
po
sa Play
dito.
Store po yung Grok AI Assistant, ganon.
Yes po, yan po yung mismo
Ayun,
application.
siya yung
Kung may
application.
Twitter account po kayo, mas mabilis po yun. Yung X account, yung dati pong Twitter, pwede rin niyo po i-connect yun.
Sa Google siya, Google ko siya kinoconnect kasi mas
Ayan,
mabilis. Yung Google account ko, mas mabilis siya.
naging zombie na yung prutas.
Nakakatawa to. Mapapagawa mo sa kanya.
Okay. Marami po, basta imagine nyo lang po yung mangyayari. Yeah, mas maganda po. May question?
Ay, naku, teka, baka nandiyan na si Chris sandali
Long
lang.
shot. Halimbawa, Max Battle, gusto nyo pasabugin. Loads. I-imagine nyo lang yung kung anong gustong mangyari sa animation, gagawin po ni Grok yan. Tingin po ako ng questions, baka may questions pa po. Habang maaga pa po, baka may tanong pa.
So, bukas, ano tayo yung iba mga excited. Sino ba excited na mag-umpisa? Type me! Excited! Type me pagka gusto ng umpisahan. Yan. Hindi kaya ito nag-max. Kuha mo, asa ko rin eh. Sikat ng ko. Yan. So, wala nang reason para wala na tayong ma-publish So, dapat tayo ang ma-conquer natin ng social media. Sa TikTok, pwede nyo na rin yung i-post kasi wala naman tayong mga product na kailangan i-attach. So, kung ano yung pinopost nyo sa Facebook, ito yung mga tips ko lang. Kung ano yung pinost nyo kasi na-schedule naman yan sa Facebook eh. So, ngayon sa TikTok, alam ko, meron na rin. Pero, wag nyo lang pagsabayin sila ng content. Okay? Kung nagsasalita yung isa more in product lang, at least may difference para maano natin. Then sa Reels, ganun din.
Yung dinownload ko na group sa sa Apple, ayan naman, sa App Store.
Sa App Store po kayo nag-download po?
Oo, continue with Google and then continue with X. Other option, anong pipindutin ko dito?
Ang click niyo po ay yung Google account niyo na lang po. Kasi yung X account po, kung may X account kayo, pwede rin naman po. Pero mas maganda po naka-Google na lang po.
Continue with Google na lang.
Yes po.
Kuya Fernando, kamusta Kuya Fernando? Ni Tita Dina. Mi po, excited na ako. Thank you. Ayan. Makita lang namin na meron na kayong nagawa. Magandang yan. Masaya na kami. Kaya dapat ma-apply po natin para hindi sayang itong ginagawa nating training. Ito sila, Chris. So, para hindi masayang yung ating training na ginagawa, yung mga time na to, And hindi tayo nagpapahuli. Natutuwa nga ako si Ate Litz nakakapag-post eh. Ilang taong ka na ba, Ate Litz? Senior na yung si Ate Litz, di ba? O, pero nandito pa ba si Ate Litz o nawala na? Mukhang nawala na si Ate Litz. So at least magawa natin yung mga gamit ng AI. Let's maximize all AI. At marami pa. Kasi every day may dumarating na bago na mga update ng AI. Kaya continuous learning. And I'm so grateful na nabigyan natin ng nakapagbigay value kami ngayon kasi yung team namin is continuous nagle-learn din yan. Actually, ilang kayong pinadala ko, Harvey, Erica, sa training?
6 po.
6 po.
6. Magkano ang training niyo bawat isa?
9K po per person.
Ganun po ang binayaran po nila. 6 po yan. So marami pa pong learning talaga. Kailangan matuloy po natin to. Kung okay sa inyo. Diba? At least, ang kailangan lang maging committed tayo na ma-apply para hindi sayang yung ating natututunan. Kasi kung hindi natin to may apply malilimutan natin. Sayang po yung pinag-ano natin, di ba? Yan, yung pinaka na-enjoy ko yan, yung ano na yan. Kasi direct ka na, hindi ka tulad ng meron ka pang pupunta kay GPT, so this is direct. So, wala bang pinapalakpakan po yan, yung ginawa ng ating ngayon, na si Harvey. Palakpakan naman dyan. Everyone. Ayan. So, ayan, ang daming palakpakan.
Thank you po.
Anyways, thank you. Mamaya tayo meron tayong guest ngayon kasi baliktad ang oras nila kaya kailangan makuha natin. Harvey, can you close the na lang? Hindi.
Sige,
Kahit hindi ko na-close, yung music lang pag tinawag ko to. Ha?
Sige po.
Ng music. Okay. So, are you ready, champion, para sa pagpapakilala ng guest natin ngayon? So, ladies and gentlemen, champions of Max Unlimited Success Family, before we begin, I want everyone to take a moment to prepare your mindset. Teka lang. Ate Agnes, pa-accept naman yung mga natin, ha? So, because today we are incredibly blessed with a rare opportunity, we have with us a power couple who are known across Max International from their leadership, consistency, and heart. They are not just mentors, they are professional network rebuilders with more than a decade of proven success. They are authors, world-class trainers, and living example of what it truly means to lead with impact and rebuild with purpose. And of course, they are crown diamond of Max International, a rank that represents discipline, vision, and undeniable result. Despite their incredibly busy schedule, they still make time to be with us today to inspire us, empower us, and help us push forward with our business. So I encourage everyone, give your 100% attention to be present, be coachable, and maximize every minute of this session because it's not every day that we get to learn directly from leaders who have created massive success and helped thousands around the world. Champions, let's give our warmest, most grateful welcome to our mentors from Canada, Chris and Tammy Jingra.
Hey, Joe. How are you? How are you doing, Joe?
Great. Sir Chris, go ahead. Harvey, can you stop sharing, please?
I'd love to see. Here we go. Okay, wonderful. Now, is it possible to have everybody showing their screen, their monitor, their video camera, so I can see all of you? Now, Tammy is joining us. Tammy and I are not in the same place this morning. Tammy is with her mommy. She traveled yesterday to see her mom, and she should be joining us. So, Joe, do pay attention. She might be coming in, and maybe she's waiting to be let into the room. And she was expecting to be in at exactly 7:30, and of course I'm here in our home. So welcome everyone. It's a real pleasure to see all of you. It's been a long time, and Max have certainly went through a lot of changes and updates. And I want to help you get a better idea of what's going on in the near future. Now, Granny, is he here too, Joe?
She's other side meeting, but he's
Okay.
listening because it's
Wonderful.
yeah,
Wonderful.
sorry.
Now, here's what I would love to hear from all of you here. It is 6:30 in the morning for us here in Toronto, Canada. So that's why, you know, we don't look at our best, but we do our best. And Joe has asked us a couple days ago to be available for your event. And I would love for you to share in the chat, generally, how are things going with your business? Put a 1 for good. Put a 10 if it's not doing so well. Arlene, that's wonderful. Erica, thank you for answering. Wonderful. Wonderful. I love the, hey, Agnes, how are you? Okay, I'm just getting messages here. I'm just confirming if Tammy is having an issue getting on. No, she's okay. Joe, is Tammy trying to log in?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. So perfect. And you know what Tammy and I went through, and we had to work on our belief. We had to work on kind of figuring out what's going on. And there's some really, really good news with Max International. As a matter of fact, you probably have noticed that the back office, for example, was a little bit difficult to work with. The fact is, in the Philippines, you're very fortunate because you have an amazing customer service. And Sir Joey is just an amazing leader. And he's been able to cover a lot of the shortcomings. But Max 2.0 is coming very, very soon. As a matter of fact, in North America, they're going to be launching a promotion in line to the new back office. And not just a new back office, but it's going to be a new front. And also there's going to be some affiliate links that we will be able to use to promote our Max business or individual products through our social media platforms and everything else. So Max is really, really evolving. And we did a bit of a tour on the back office recently, and things are looking absolutely amazing. So we're very, very excited with what's going on. And the one thing that I'm very, very proud with Max International is many, many network marketing company has failed in the past 4 years. And Max International has stayed the course. They are very, very aware and even concerned with the well-being of its members. And this is what I love about the company. They really, really, really do care. And they've been communicating with myself and Tammy and many of the other leaders. And in fact, I put Joe in touch with the CEO of the company and the new CRO, the chief financial officer, which he is absolutely amazing in dealing with the upcoming marketing and all the ideas. And Joe, just want to confirm that you are in communication, right? You've been put in a group that I created with these guys.
Sir Chris, sorry.
Yeah, this is going to be interactive, Joe. So I'm going to need you to stay with me here because I need you to interact with me as I move forward. The group that I created with Jonathan Flicker and Mark.
Yes.
You're part of this group, correct?
Yeah, I send the picture. I send our recent photo with them right now.
Okay, perfect. So they're very eager to connect with all of you to make sure that they can listen to your needs and everything else. And I know you have Sir Joey, that is an absolute amazing, amazing leader that is always there looking out for the Philippines. So, what I would love to hear from all of you here, instead of me kind of blabbing around and sharing all this information, I would love to hear from any one of you here in the room. What would you like to hear? What do you need? What can I do to provide you with information that Tammy and I are using to be able to build your business, or when it comes to your mindset? There's so many different things I can cover, but I need you to participate. So I need you to tell me in the message, what is it that you would like to hear? Do you have any questions, concerns, comments, anything that I can follow up on? I'm going to pause for a minute, giving you a chance to respond. Think about it. Anything that you would like me to cover. I've been in Max International since the beginning. My wife and I have reached Crown Diamond. And the reason we've done that is because we have always stayed the course. So maybe you want to ask some questions as to what is it. Oh, Tammy is right here. And Tammy, you can actually change your name if you want and put in Tammy, so they're not confused.
Sir
There
Chris,
she is.
maybe one of the question of the leaders is about the stability of the product, because I think CellGBT is not yet. Ate Agnes, am I right? Do we have CellGBT right now or not yet?
Not yet. LGBT
So maybe
Max 1 and
maybe
Max
the
357.
Max 1, Max 357, and Max LGBT?
Yes.
So
We don't
only
have.
Max
Only Max
GXL is
357.
available.
Yes.
So the main concern, Sir Chris, I think most of the leaders are saying about the status of the product.
Okay, I understand. Now, keep in mind, folks, that I'm not corporate, so I don't have all the answers. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin myself and Tammy. Just bear with me here. I'm going to pin myself, and Tammy just came in. Just one moment here. Where are you, Tammy? I think you're using my name also. Oh, here we go. Okay, here we go. Chat, add
That's all
pin.
good. Hey,
There we go.
good evening,
Okay.
everybody.
Okay. So that way we can, it's easier for us to interact. So Tammy's at her mother. She's about 2.5 hours away from where I am right now. I'm in her home in Toronto. Tammy's with her mom. She's spending the weekend with her mother. And so that's why we're in two different locations. So in line to your question, just to make sure I'm clear, you're asking me, what is the status of the product? Is this correct? If I'm pausing, it's because I'm waiting for a response. So in the chat, you can tell me, yes, that is correct. You want to hear about the status of our products. Okay. So just so you know, the way Tammy and I have evolved is we interact a lot with the field. So if I ask you a question and I pause, it's up to you to answer. And then from there, we will follow up with a response. Now, again, just to keep in mind that we're not corporate members, but we stay in touch with what's going on. And also keep in mind that what's happening in the Philippines, it's a little bit different from what's happening in North America. So what I can tell you in Canada right now, Canada, United States, Australia, right now we have CellGVD, Max GXL, Max ATP. Recently, we just started the Max Infuse. Tammy, are they being delivered right now, the Max Infuse?
Yes.
Yes.
And the only product that we don't have is the 357.
Correct.
And yeah, and the Switch, obviously. Yeah. So that's the
Yeah.
only products that we don't have in our market, but we need to ask questions from corporate, what's going on in the Philippines, what you have. So Joe, what products do you have in the office?
Max GXL. Am I right,
Just
Ate
Max?
Agnes?
Okay.
It's only
Okay,
Max
so
GXL.
Chris, we have to ask Mark which if there's a delivery going to this of Celgevity going to the Philippines.
Yeah, I mean, Sergio will definitely be a person that will be very much in line with what is going on. But I do believe right now in Canada, in the United States, we have all the products except, like I said, we don't have the Switch because it's been changed to the Max GLP-1. It's a new product that was launched recently. So we have the capsules and we also have the patch. And these are the two products that are replacing the Switch right now. There's other line of products that are coming about very soon, which is quite exciting. But the one thing that I'm very excited about is the tools to be able to function online the way things are done in 2025 and not the way things were done in 2018, 2019, 2020. So things has evolved a lot since the past 5 years because the pandemic has forced a lot of changes in the way we do business. Network marketing has changed a lot. It's not like it used to be. So social media is a very big part of how we do business, and to utilize the tools that Max will make available. And I think you will hear all about this in December. I don't know the exact date, but I think there's rumors around December 8th. Now, as far as the products, that's what we shared is what we know. If there's any other questions there, please do let me know, and we'll try to address them. We can take note of this. And Joe, are you recording? Yes, it is recorded. Just to make sure that in the event that I need to be reminded of what I talked about, you can send me the recording. Now, let's see here. Arlene says, I follow you on Facebook, and it seems that you're also using AI now. Yes, Tammy and I use AI a lot. In fact,
On a daily basis, yeah.
yeah, today I'm also really starting to work with bots. I don't know if you guys are familiar with ManyChat, but I'm building a lot of automatic robots, which are digital robots that are responding on my behalf. So very often, for example, Tammy and I, our Facebook page, we have a page called Chris and Tammy. You can search for us. You can test it to see how it responds. And these are things that are very cool. And it's a technology that will interact with users while I live my life. And there's a lot more coming. So yes, we make a lot of use of AI, and it's been extremely, extremely helpful. But the one thing that's very important as you move forward in time in building your Max business is to be able to adapt to change. And I think a lot of the folks that are afraid of change are the people that are having a harder time getting positive results in building their business. Anything else you want to add to this, Tammy?
I think a lot of people are using, AI now. People are more familiar with what's going on. And the key is, like Chris said, you got to be up to speed on what's happening. Network marketing has changed, as we all know, and maybe not so much in the Philippines, but here in our markets for sure. And people are adapting quite well in the network marketing space. I find, Chris, they're learning. They want to learn, anyways. And yeah, the key is to show up. I mean, we could always do a session and show you kind of the stuff that we're up to on ChatGPT, how we automate a lot of our stuff now. So it makes it simpler for us. And we're going to do the same thing through Max. We were just waiting more than anything because we had so many challenges in North America financially too. And so people had to find other ways to earn income. But now looks like things are moving, and they're working on the website. We got a chance to see the demo, and yeah, it's fast, it's functional to go back and to be able to do everything through the computer, where before we always had to call the company for everything because everything was slow we couldn't see our downline, like it would spin and spin and spin. There was many challenges that we had there. And I believe, Chris, in the next week or two, things are going to be moving for the new website. We're going to have a new domain name. It won't be MyMax Office. It will be Go Max Health. And I believe if you go there now, you might see some stuff, but I'm not sure if you can log in yet. And Joey will have all the details. I'm sure he's going to set up a session with everybody to let everybody know, maybe the leadership first. But we've gone through all of this already in the last, couple weeks, Chris?
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, sorry, I'm just being distracted by Joel's comments and a group that you added me in. I put a few hearts there. What's happening, folks, is in the coming weeks, there are going to be a lot of things that Max is introducing as far as digital tools for us to be able to move forward. And right now we're in the pre stage where we're telling you what's coming without having anything to show you, because we've seen a demo, but we haven't been given access to the new stuff yet. Once the new stuff is out, we're going to be going nuts sharing this with everybody. Tammy and I absolutely love Max with a passion. Every single day, we live with our products. Every day. We do not miss one day. And the business model has given us an opportunity to create an incredible life, not just our life, but the lives of everybody we've touched with Max International. We believe in the company, and we believe in the fact that they do have a well-being at heart. And in the coming weeks, and I suggest, Joe, that once things are launched and available to everyone, that we start doing other sessions on how Tammy and I adapt to these changes and how is this plugged in to our environment in social media. And then we will be sharing this with all of you. So today we chose to come in to be present to your event because, one, we haven't been around you for a long time. And two, there's been so many obstacles in our Max business, and these obstacles have just made us stronger. And I really, really believe that the way that Max is organized now, with the infrastructure, with our executive team, it is absolutely classy and professional. And they are very, very aware of the implication of making decisions that will encourage the future growth of the company. They have cut all the fat. What I mean by that is all the areas that were kind of like our governments. There's so much wasted money in the governments. We know that. Well, Max also has been through a stage where there was a lot of wasted money. Now everything is channeled to be extremely profitable, and not only to be profitable, but to be able to reinvest into the field, the tools, and everything that's necessary for us to move forward for the long term. And because our products are so solid, what I mean by solid is, and you all know this, we have real, tangible products that people get real, tangible results. And despite the challenges that we've been facing with the lack of, by not having products available, people are sticking with it because they know that once they receive the products, they will get the benefits, they will get the goods, the way the body's supposed to feel. So all of these challenges that we've been facing, it's coming to an end. And what I mean coming to an end is it's already came to an end, but obviously it takes always between 6 months to a year for everything to adjust, because we're not just dealing with one country, we're dealing with many countries around the world. So things are very, very, very much positive. The future is extremely bright. And what I recommend for you to do from that point on, once everything has been launched, and I think by January you'll have everything you need. Now, keep in mind that I don't know all the details when it comes to the Asian market because Sir Joey is in charge. But I know that obviously they communicate. Is we will make sure that we will share everything we know and everything we do with all of you. The one thing I suggest that you do is make sure that you create what we call a Facebook page, not just your Facebook profile. That's your profile. But when you do have a moment, create a Facebook page. And on your Facebook page, don't just be max. Be more, be a bit generic, but different focus where you can have so focused on max. You can have focus on your life. You can have focus on the business aspect, your lifestyle, how your lifestyle's been impacted by Max International, or how your lifestyle's been impacted by the decisions you made in becoming a business owner and working from home. A variety of things like this. Because what's going to
Health,
happen.
yeah, because we're in the health industry. Health as well,
Yes.
Chris. Share exercise. If you guys are exercising, I love watching you guys on Facebook. I mean, with all the stuff that you guys are doing, the way you guys interact, the events that you guys put together, people love that. People want to be part of a community. So keep posting stuff like that as well.
Yes. See, one of the things that we admire when we look at the Philippines is that you are a community and you work as a community. North Americans can learn from that. Trust me. That is your strength. And that community, share that within your individual Facebook pages on the fact that you work as a team and you work as a community, sharing your lifestyle. And these are things that I recommend for you to prepare. And when the affiliate links are available and ready to be utilized in our back office, then you make sure that in your profile, people can click these links to be able to see what's going on. And we'll expand on all of these things. But I suggest that you prepare. Make sure that you have an Instagram account. And again, when I say make sure, it's a recommendation. Instagram, TikTok, and your Facebook page. Now, some of you may use X, you may use Pinterest, you may use LinkedIn. These are all different platforms that I'm not saying they're not good. I'm just saying the main three that we focus on are Facebook pages, TikTok, and Instagram. And once you learn how to utilize what we call organic leads that are coming from your environment and your activities, and people can just click on your profile and see what this is all about. This is the way things are evolving right now. And I think you'll hear, for those of you that may follow the Eric Worre event coming in this weekend, you're probably going to hear a lot about this. I know the time zone is very awkward. But I truly believe that this is where there's going to be a lot of talk on how things are moving forward. Is there any comments or feedback from anybody that you would like to ask us that we excuse me, we can share with you as we end here? So, Joe, I'm going to bring you here on the platform. Okay. So you can coordinate this. Is there anything that you would like us to add that maybe we haven't covered on this session so far? Joe, you heard me?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything that you would like for us to add that we haven't covered so far?
Meron ba mga suggestion, leaders? Si Agnes natawa lang eh.
Okay, that's okay.
Agnes, Ate
Let me
Beng,
just let's just remove the pins. Hold on, so we can see everybody here.
nakamute ka, Ate Beng.
So Agnes, how are things going? I know the last time we visited you, you treated us with a nice meal at a restaurant with the team. Really, really appreciated that. That was absolutely wonderful. Thank you for that. We never forgot this. We really, really miss the Philippines. Do you have anything you'd like to share?
Mm. Okay po. When are you going to come back here, sir? With Sir Ma'am Tammy.
You asking us when we're gonna come back?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I see. Well, I mean, it's something that we haven't planned anything yet because we're waiting on Max to deliver on their tools and what's coming forward. And once this is taking place and Tammy and I are executing and we see growth, we want to share that with you. This is around the time that we will start planning some trips again in the Philippines. Because we love going there,
We
but we
love
don't want to
going
go there
there.
and waste your times, right? We don't want to waste your time. We want to make sure that if we go there, we bring some gold nuggets that you can use to increase your income and to be able to add new business into your business. So make sure that when we go, we're there to support you. Yes, Arlene, please go ahead.
So I'm interested with the affiliate marketing. Before they started that, in the US only. So will it be taking over also in the Philippines? Because almost all of the people here in TikTok are are into affiliate marketing, and also many people here, um, you know, they depend on affiliate marketing. So we will also be benefited. We will also benefit from that later in the Philippines also.
Yeah, see, the thing is, the affiliate is really, see, when you look at the affiliate and network marketing, they both provide a link for people to buy. And at the end of the day, the difference between network marketing and affiliate is affiliate, when they make the sale, they walk away. And network marketing, they don't walk away. They create communities. And I know because I'm working with affiliate people. And affiliate people, they always have to chase the new sale. They always have to find a new tool. And there's no community created. So there's no residual income unless they make a sale. And their sale is based on their lists. And it's based on their community and the credibility that I've established with that community to keep buying every time they put some new shiny thing to sell. So what's attractive about the affiliate marketing is the ease of ordering by having a simple link like an Amazon purchase. That's what Max is moving into. So people will be able to order very easily. Now, in the Philippines, you have a unique situation where transportation, there's a lot of different things can be done that we don't have in North America. In North America, it's very expensive to deliver goods to anybody. In the Philippines, you can hire mopeds and all these people that deliver very quickly. And that is a huge asset. So there's going to be some adjustments that I'm sure will be done. And I know there's some people in the Philippines right now that are utilizing that with Max products. But what's very important is the affiliate link, the link that are available so people can easily place orders and make purchases. This is what I'm looking forward to utilizing. And that's what Max has been behind. They've been strong in the network marketing aspect, but they haven't been strong on making it easy for people to order online like an affiliate lead, like an affiliate link. That's what I'm talking about. So the answer is absolutely it will be, because those links are going to be made available worldwide. and how you choose to work your business locally in the Philippines, there will be some adjustments for sure. And in the Philippines, you have an advantage that we don't have in Canada, because it's difficult for us to deliver goods to individual people across the country, where in the Philippines you have a very good transportation system that are available here there. Yeah. So I hope that helps a little bit.
So there won't be, the word affiliate won't be in the compensation plan at all. Yeah, so honestly, the affiliate program didn't work well with Max. So they're just doing the regular compensation plan, like Chris said. We're really pushing them. We're a lot, because we want links. We want simplicity, and we want links, and we want to be able to automate our businesses like an affiliate would. We want to be able to build out our email systems that we can constantly promote once we have the lead and they're purchasing. We can create different forms of email lists of customers that are existing, people who are looking, but they have their name and their email and they want more information. So these are all the skills that Chris and I have learned in the last, 4 years, Chris?
Mhm.
And we're learning how to really automate, and we're learning the social media platform really well. So when Max is ready, look out. We're gonna be running with this. So it's gonna be fun, and we're gonna teach everybody, as we always do, right? Every time things work, we want to make sure that everybody benefits.
And so we understand that we use the word affiliate. Again, just
It's
you
preferred
see
customer,
the
yeah.
difference is what Tammy shared earlier is Max has always been a network marketing company that creates culture, support, events. All of these things is the reason why Max have been around for 18 and a half years. Affiliate companies, they don't last a year. Let me rephrase that. Affiliate business don't last a year. It's just a sell and it's gone. So the people who succeed in the affiliate world, they're a very small amount of people. And these are people who have like millions of people, hundreds of thousands of people on their lists. That's not duplicatable. But what we want to do is we want to use the affiliate channel where the ease of ordering, like an affiliate does. You make it, you put a link, people buy, it's delivered, they're happy with their purchase. But then that could be converted into a lead for us to build our network marketing. And trust me, I've seen both worlds in the past 4 years. And the affiliate is wonderful to get leads, but it's not going to give you an income on the long term. It's going to give you an income when you make the sell. The network marketing, it's completely, and I love it with a passion, because that culture that is built in a network marketing environment is what keeps people on board, what keeps people ordering. The reason why the Philippines, in Canada, and the United States are still in business today, it's not because of the affiliate world, it's because of the network marketing world, the community that was created. That's what saved us. And that's also what will create a steady income for you in the long term. That's who we are. But we don't want to dismiss the fact that the affiliate approach on the ease of ordering, it's necessary, and it's the way. In other words, it's like merging the affiliate approach on connecting with a person to the network marketing aspect of things, which in network marketing is the back end, and the front end, you use the links that are available, like an affiliate would use to build their business. So that's how it works. So, I mean, we can go on this topic, but I think we've covered a lot. Yeah. Is there anybody else that would like to add? You see, your questions and comments are very, very, very helpful to us, because when you have a question like this, it triggers a whole library of information that we're not sharing right now if we don't know it's important to you. That's why if you want to interact with what are the things that you want to hear? So we covered products. Now, again, when it comes to the Philippines, what's available now, this is something that your leadership knows a lot more than we do, because we don't live in the Philippines, but we share what's happening here. And obviously, Sir Joey, obviously will have all the ins and outs of everything. We shared a little bit about how we are planning to do our business. And for us is Facebook pages, not the Facebook profile. The Facebook profile is your profile. It's your life, and it's a mixture of what's happening in your life. But a Facebook page is where you can do business, you can do Facebook ads, you can do lots of things there. Okay, you can grow organically and everything else, and obviously having your TikTok account and having your Instagram account. If you don't have that, I would suggest you start planning for it and just start adding some content in there. So that's what we've covered so far. Is there anything else, Joe, that you would like us to add?
All good, sir.
Okay. So we can turn this call over to you. And whenever we have new development to share with you, we will definitely come back and communicate with you everything we know. Right now, we're waiting for Max to release all the new knowledge that we intend to share publicly very, very soon. You're going to see this in our social media platform, the Active Team Facebook page. This is our Max. This is where everything is going to go in when we start promoting our Max business and everything else with what's coming. So we look forward to share this with all of you. So Joe, we're going to turn this over back to you. And I want to thank you for inviting Tammy and I. We're honored that you thought of us. You haven't forgot about us. We have never forgotten about you. And we really do forward to go visit the Philippines again very soon.
For sure.
Okay, so thank you, Sir Chris and Ma'am Tammy, once again. So we appreciate you, we honor you, and we are grateful for your mentorship. So wala na po talagang tanong, mga leaders. Any question? So let's apply what we have learned today, and let's focus to our goal, and see you on the last day training. Actually, we have 3 days training, Sir Chris. We started last night, second tonight, and will be the last tomorrow. And our MLMR will be on December 6th at Max office. So we can visit,
Beautiful.
yeah.
Nice.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Love you all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a
So
good
bye
night.
for now. Thank you so much.
Bye.
From Ati Beng,
Bye,
thank you
guys.
so much.
Thank you.